In this video, we're going to be taking a look at different number types. So the first type is general. General is the regular type. Then we have accounting. So to change number type, we'll just go to the home tab and then we're going to go to the number group. And then here you can see a drop down which is now giving us the general number format. So I'm choosing the numbers that I want to turn into accounting format. Then let's just go to home tab, numbers, and then we're going to click on accounting. And as you can see, it is now in accounting format. And in accounting format, negative values are always represented with a parenthesis or the first bracket, and the positive values are left as it is. So here we had minus 12,500 and minus 9,745, which are now inside brackets, meaning these are negative values. And as you can also see that there is a dollar sign before those, because in accounting you are working with money. So if you wanted to change the dollar sign into some other currency format, you can go here and you can change it to euro. There you go. Now it is been changed to euro. I'm just reverting back to dollars. Okay, then we have the currency format. So let's take a look at the currency format. First selecting the cells, then we're gonna go to our currency. There we go. Now in currency format, you can see the negative values are still are being represented by a minus symbol, and the positive values are positive values. So but in the currency format, you can also change it a bit further. So to do that, we're going to click on this number format small drop down, or you can do a Ctrl+1 shortcut key. Now we're here at number. We have chosen currency, and here you can see the first chosen cell to be a sample here. Now the representation of negative numbers you can choose from the various options. So the one that is being chosen is with a minus sign. The representation of negative numbers is going to be with a minus sign. Now if I change it to a red color, that would mean the representation of the negative values is going to be red color. Now we just give it that, click on OK, and as you can see, the negative values have turned red. Now there are other options as well. Let's just go back there, and we can also represent the negative values with a simple bracket and no red color. There you go, just as same as in the accounting format, but as you can see, the dollar symbol is now directly beside the numbers because it is in currency format. Now let's do another one. There you go, we have another format left. That is, the color is going to be red, and there is also going to be a parenthesis here. Click on that, and you can choose from all these formats and types of your currency. Okay, and the last one we're going to see is percentage. So let me just first select it. You can see 0.86, 86, 186, and 0.05. So let's just choose our percentage here, click on it, and as you can see, 0.86 has turned into 86%, and 86 has turned into 8,600, and 186 has turned into 186,000. Okay, and 0.05 has turned into 5%. So I hope you got the idea how percentage works. So there we go. Let's bring it back to general. There you go. You can also choose numbers as well. Let's keep it general. There we go. So that was it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you got to learn something new. If you have found the video to be useful, please like and consider subscribing to the channel, as it will enable me to make more videos like this one. Thank you.